Hi besties, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is actually my first time making the voiceover. So please, if you maybe find any faults, just bear with me. Thank you. So this is naturally supposed to be a tutorial, but I was just filming this and I thought, why don't I share this with you guys? So yes, make a zipper pocket with me, guys. So first, I went ahead to stitch the top lining to the main lining. I already have everything cut out because this is actually for my bag pattern. Remember I told you guys I was going to launch a bag pattern very soon, so I'm going to be sharing the pictures of the bag from some of my testers at the end of this video, so stay tuned. So yeah, I just went ahead to top stitch the top lining to the main lining, and after that you have to turn to the right side of the lining and top stitch on it. Next, I have my zipper overlay. I already have it cut out, so maybe one of these days I'm going to make a full video on how to draft out your zipper overlay. So you just place it half an inch away from the seam line and you top stitch with 1/8 of an inch on the outer edge of the zipper overlay. So yeah, I just went ahead to do that, and after that I started with my zipper lining. So you are going to place your zipper on your zipper lining. Note you are placing both right side up, or maybe I'll say you are placing the zipper wrong side on the right side of the zipper lining. So after top stitching, you turn to the wrong side of your zipper and top stitch on the zipper lining. Note you have to make sure your seam allowance is facing down the zipper lining. So yeah, you're going to repeat this on the other zipper lining. So just place zipper tape on the right side of the zipper lining. Make sure the zipper tape is also facing right side up and your zipper lining is facing right side up as well. So after top stitching on both, you turn to the wrong side of your zipper and you top stitch on the zipper lining. Note I said your seam allowance is facing down the zipper lining. So yes, I just went ahead to do that, and after you are going to fix your zip. Yeah, so I've gone ahead to fix my zip, and now we are going to attach this to the main lining. So to do that, you're going to apply a tiny line of gum on the edge of your zipper. Make sure you're careful enough so it doesn't get to your zip teeth or whatever that is called. So if you have a double-sided tape, you can as well use that. Just lay a strip of it on the edge. And if you're using gum, you have to make sure you allow it dry for some couple of seconds. Now after that, you're just going to center your zipper overlay on the zip teeth. So after that, next we are going to top stitch to hold the zipper in place. So we're top stitching with 1/8 of an inch round the inner edge of the zipper overlay. So now one important thing, you have to make sure your zipper lining is laid down flat, as you can see from my video, because you do not want to finish top stitching and then oops, you stitch on your zipper lining. That's going to be bad. So make sure your zipper lining is laid down flat while you are top stitching. So sorry, had to get my scissors. After which, next you are going to pull down the top lining. Pull down the top lining on the bottom lining, and we are going to stitch on both side and bottom of the zipper lining with half an inch. So you just have to make sure you move your main lining away while top stitching on the side and the bottom of the main lining. So guys, I actually made a mistake here. I was supposed to stitch from this other side, so that way I didn't have to top stitch on one side and then cut my thread and start all over. So yeah, that's just basically it. You top stitch on the side and the bottom with half an inch, after which you are going to trim out this bottom excess lining. You can see down there, just trim it out. So I'm done. You can see how cute this is looking. It's quite deep. I think the depth of this is about 6 inches deep, so you can see it fits my phone perfectly. So this is the end of the video. So guys, these are a few photos from my hairstyles for the bag I'm going to be launching very soon. So please guys, stay tuned for the launch date. And before we go, I'm just going to say this: if you guys want me to start making video tutorials, please hit the subscribe button to encourage me, like and comment. Bye. Thank you.